In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can change the width of the column. Here you can see this is our C column and we want to change the width of this column. For this, you just need to go to there and then a double-headed arrow will be arrived and just click off your left of the mouse, then you can drag it to right or left. Here you can see width and the pixel also. As you want, you can just put it there. We are wanting this and we are just putting it there. And there is another way to fix the width of this column. So for this, just click and select the column and then right click of your mouse. Here you can see an option is column width. Click there. If you know the column width you want to do, just put there. Suppose we want 30 here and click OK. Look, this happens. And if you want to select multiple columns at a time, you can do it. Just we are selecting this 3 column and go to the right of your mouse and column width we just want to make it 20. Suppose this and click OK. Look how easy it is. This is how you can change your column to width in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.